Grand Cherokee out here that won't start. Customer says she have a new battery in it. Hood is up, tow truck dropped it off, and this looked like a brand new battery. But this don't look like a not so good alternator. But y'all know me, I don't diagnose based off looks alone. I actually test. So what I'm gonna do is grab my jump box, set it up, and see what happened. Let's get it. All right, man, let's get it, man. I got my jump box out here. What I'm gonna do, remember what I told y'all a long time ago about jumping a car off, especially one with a suspected bad alternator. We got a couple of alternators on a couple of our cars that back probes into your jump box and actually ruin your jump box. So here's what you need to do. Before you hook this up, do not just grab your stuff and hook it on, especially if you paid a lot of money for your jump box. Give it a test tap first, like this. Okay, so I'm not seeing that because I ain't on. So let me turn this on. Now, give this a test tap before you just hook your positive cable up first. Before you hook up the ground, give it a test tap. I call it test tap. Whoa, see that? That's a no-no. That will kill your jump box. What you need to do now at this point, because a direct feed from your battery that's powered is going to your alternator. It's very likely your alternator is back feeding back to your battery. Okay, do not jump start a car that give you this. All right, that is that will ruin your jump box. So what I'm gonna do is take this off. Do this on any kind of car you jump off, man. Matter of fact, that's what's making it so dangerous and risky to give somebody a boost these days. You never know the situation or the current situation the alternator is in. So you can actually ruin your car's electronics by being a nice guy giving somebody a jump start. Alright, so I haven't moved the camera at all. I haven't stopped the camera, so we're gonna try and see what happens now. Take a look at this. No major spark. So now you can give it a jump start. That will see the car starts. So what you need to do is go inside. You have no choice but to start with an alternator. I mean, take a look at that alternator. There's warning marks on it, so I basically have no choice but to start with an alternator. And it's whining. Y'all hear that noise? So I'm gonna write up an alternator, man. I'm gonna retest the battery even though it's new and just go over the whole complete electrical system, all right? Well, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.